Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahl Lithium Ion All-in-One Beard Trimmer Men's Grooming Kit, Rechargeable Beard Trimmer, Hair Clipper, Electric Shavers, Model 9854-600. Sometimes pull the hairs instead of cutting them. Do not talk about that, can die from one moment to another. This is awful at cleaning up around the neck, and anywhere it may touch skin. Sad to see it go. Made money with that old one in college. Hope this one lasts as long. In reference to the woman's personal groomers, the batteries never lasted long, the clippers would always dull out, and there were never enough accessories. Nice size for your hand, and it comes with a convenient carrying case to carry everything with it, even the charging plug. Don't be scared of the people that say it is loud and vibrates too much. As long as you aren't the type of guy who has to shave with a regular razor in order to not have scruff, the Wahl should fit most, if not all, of your needs. Saved me from spending at least $70 more, and from the hassle and irritation of old-fashioned shaving. This is the perfect set for any man or person who needs to groom regularly. The handle tends to collect particles of cut hair, but is easy enough to clean that this is not an issue for me. The handle is rubberish, so when the hair is trimmed it sticks to the rubber. The clipper has a cheap look. The base is lightweight plastic of low quality. Instead of a recharging base unit that you set the trimmer into, you have to plug a small connector into the base of the unit, and then set it on the stand while trying to ensure that the power cable doesn't knock out your accessory pieces. That issue aside, the unit itself was very grippy and comfortable to hold in the hand. You have to make the jump to over 50 to get a better unit imho. Then set a timer for an hour or so, and leave it plugged in to fully charge. Now the components sit in a pile, whereas before everything fit neatly in the old base. This is posted, so hopefully, someone can make this package better than it already is. However, whoever thought it was a good idea to make the outer surface rubbery definitely wasn't thinking it through. Downsides: hair gets into the sides easily, and it has to be taken apart for a through clean. Hairs often jam it. This can be somewhat avoided by shaving in a way that the hairs don't clump in the blades. Changing the trimmer widths is a long process. It's not very good at doing what it's supposed to do, but that has nothing to do with the function. The heads interchange perfectly, once you get the hang of it, and feel very solid. This is it. Cut fairly close without pulling or nicking, and not too close that you have to worry about ingrown hairs. The best thing about this trimmer is the set of fixed-length durable trimmer guards it comes with. The main unit is lightweight and designed to be very flexible, although it does not feel cheaply made. Within the several attachments, one can choose one that is appropriate for the length of hair that needs to be cut. For having had a sliding comb attachment on our former Panasonic shaver, it is a pain to have to change the combs, and there is nothing to catch the hair, so it makes a big mess. 5. The packaging is terrible, light, flimsy, and cheap. 6. There is no good way to store it. The holder shown is worthless, and putting it back in its original box is difficult. Sorry Wahl, you'll have to go back to the drawing board and keep it simple. More is not better. Love it. The battery system is great, long-lasting, but they always seem to quit when you are in the middle of something. Has professionally ground trimmer head, that is way better than the forged trimmer head blades on the cheaper units. Decided to buy this when the cheaper AA battery Wahl one that came as part of a trimmer kit had issues. It would cut fine, then suddenly for no apparent reason the blade mechanism would come out of alignment, and it wouldn't cut until you whacked it gently on the tabletop, a sometimes successful fix. The attachments which were provided are all swapped out by removing the entire blade and snapping the other attachment firmly into place. Overall, this is a powerful trimmer with sharp blades and nice construction, loaded down with attachments that either don't work properly or add very little value. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.